Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I want to talk about making money with your woodworking things. And the honest truth is I don't know how to move into the money-making thing with the woodworking stuff. However, I know that I've got a talent just like you've got a talent. This video is about building a collective or a consortium of us woodworkers who are transitioning out of our old careers, like mine was engineering and machining, and into something we really like to do. You know, I mean, the old career burnt out. We want to get into our passion. We want to do something that we love and exercise our creativity and earn an income at the same time while giving someone else something that they really want. But when we're just starting out, we just really don't know where to start. And so what I want to do is build a collective or a community of woodworkers, maybe CNC woodworkers, hone it down a little bit, to bounce our ideas off of each other and start to help each other grow. So there's one thing I know, it's really hard to set off on your own and make it work without the support and the knowledge of other people in our industry or in our passion, is a better way of putting it. What are the best tools to use? How can we do this? How can we program that? How can we put this together? And how can we start a business, promote out onto social media, and make it happen? So we're all out to earn a buck. And most of us have probably tried many different ways. I know I have. The thing was with me, I wasn't really passionate about most of them, but I've learned a lot along the way. However, I am very passionate about this woodworking stuff, as I know you are, and you want to earn an income. So the whole point of this video is to see if there's an interest in building a group of maybe just CNC woodworkers who are interested in earning an income but really don't know how to start, but also getting the collective friendship and just a group that can tap into each other's knowledge to make it happen. Like I said before, doing it alone can be really challenging. If you've read like Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, you know, he talks about the mastermind. And the mastermind is truly the way to go, because it's, you know, you've had the experience. You get two heads together, three heads together, and all kinds of new ideas come out, and the energy goes up about making it happen. So if you are interested in getting into or being part of a group that I want to create, where we can move in that direction, work together, help each other with our ideas, and maybe become part of a group, I don't know, I'm just throwing this out there, where we all can, it's just so we all can win, and we have a group who thinks alike. When we got the passion in woodworking, we love to design stuff, we love to build it, we love the end product, and what we can do in the end is we'll create something that helps other people, makes other people happy, and we're doing what we love and we're earning income doing that. So if you're interested, please put a comment down below and let me know, and if I see enough comments, then we can, I will start that forum. I'll start a group, we'll meet on a regular basis, and Zoom, yeah, and we'll just start working it. We'll come up with action plans. We will build to-do lists, accountability groups to keep us all moving. And we will start using our resources of people we know, and whatever, however it will work. What I'm really interested in is helping fellow woodworkers start to generate an income doing what they love, especially when they're just moving into this like I am, and building new friendships. And of course, making a little money and helping other people. So I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft. If you are interested in a collective to do this, then please put a comment down below. Like the video, that helps to boost this kind of video so that other people see it, and from there we'll see what happens. You know, maybe this is the magical video that will help you finally break through that glass ceiling that you have. So please make a comment. Let me know if this is something you are interested in, and I will talk to you later.